everyone, and welcome back to the Kids Corner. My name is Brittany Alberto, and I am the Museum Education Coordinator for the Guild Museum of Arcadia Heritage. And today we're going to be doing a super fun activity. We're going to be making our own bouncy balls from home. So let's get started. Bouncy balls are super fun to make, but we're going to be making sure that we do this activity with a parent, guardian, or older sibling present. Also, this activity can get very messy, so as you can see, I've covered my table in butcher paper, and I'm also wearing my super nice, super cute apron that was donated to us by Darlene Bradley from the Arcadia Public Library. To make bouncy balls, you're going to need some materials, and you might actually have some of them at home. You're going to need a bowl, a cup, 1/2 cup of warm water, and as you can see, I have mine in my measuring cup, 2 popsicle sticks, borax, cornstarch, liquid glue, measuring spoons, and if you don't want your bouncy ball to be the color white, you can have some food coloring. And then because I wanted to make mine a glittery bouncy ball, I also have some glitter. Alright, so first what you're going to do is you're going to take your big bowl and you're going to add your 1/2 cup of warm water, and I had just put mine in the microwave, nothing too crazy. And you're also going to take 1 tablespoon of borax. Your parents might have borax at home. It kind of helps with the laundry, and it's also really great for making slime. But today we're going to be using it to make our bouncy ball. And you're going to take 1 of your popsicle sticks and you're just going to stir. Okay, when you feel like some of the borax has been absorbed by the water, you're going to put this to the side, and then we're going to take our cup. And in our cup, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And if you watched videos with me before, we use cornstarch a lot, so sometimes it's just really nice to have on handy. Okay. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of liquid glue. And I like using Elmer's glue because I feel like it works every single time. So we have 1, and then we have 2. There we go. Okay, and then you're going to take your other popsicle stick and you're going to stir. And then when you feel like your cornstarch and your glue has been stirred really nice, you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to add it to your mixture. And you can make whatever color bouncy ball you'd like. My favorite color though is orange. So to make orange, I'm going to add 2 drops of red, 2 drops yellow, and I want a glittery bouncy ball, so I'm going to add a few shakes of my glitter. Okay, then we're just going to mix it some more. And then you can see in my cup, it's a really nice orange color. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our bowl full of water and borax, and we're just going to pour our glue straight in there. There we go. It gets really goopy. You just want to make sure you're getting as much of the glue out as possible. Okay. So you're going to use your popsicle stick and you're going to swish it around a little bit, and in about 10 seconds it should start getting really hard. So you're going to take your hands and you're going to reach in. If you have very sensitive skin, you can do this part with some gloves on. And then if it starts sticking to your hands, just dip it back in the borax again and then just fold it. And then you're just going to squish it around, and mine still is a little sticky, so we're going to dip it back in the borax again. All right, and then we're just going to put this bowl to the side. It's going to take about a minute for this to start getting really hard. So what you're going to do is you're just going to keep folding it and swishing it. And you could also roll it on the table until it starts getting hard like a bouncy ball. It's super fun to play with. It's like really tough slime, but it's also still very slimy. So just gonna roll mine around. We wanna make sure that it's getting in that ball formation. And then after a while, it'll get really hard and you have had a bouncy ball. And you can make them at home.
Hey, Miss Brittany, what's the sign language word of the day?
Very good question, Miss Stevie. So today we made bouncy balls, so the word of the day is bounce. So to say bounce in sign language, you're going to take your left hand and you're going to hold it out, palm up, and then you're going to take your other hand and then just bounce it off, like you're bouncing a ball on your hand. Bounce. Thank you so much for joining us for this episode of the Kids Corner. If you make your own bouncy balls at home, we would love to see them. So make sure to tag all your social media posts with #GuildKidsCorner. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Bye!